Well, pleasingly, house sales are up again in the quarter, around 3% to 7,500. So that shows there's just this steady improvement in the Perth property market, which has brought the median price up to 475,000, but we are seeing that slowly increase even beyond June to around 480 is the likely estimate. But it's been a very steady increase, and it's across all the sectors in the marketplace, other than in the high end where property sales are still fairly slow. Well, the multi-res market is slightly softer than it was, and that's due to decreased investor activity. A lot of those cheaper multi-residential properties are being bought by the first home buyers, so the investors aren't prepared to chase prices on those. But it does show that that sector has been well picked over, and we'd expect that to continue to improve over the next few months. 25% increase in land sales is a very good sign for the building industry, and that'll work back well into the established home market when those properties eventually come up for sale. Also in the regional areas, we've seen some softer activity other than in the Geraldton-Greenock area, which has been an improvement. But generally speaking, the regional areas have been a bit softer in this last quarter. We're seeing quite a stable sales pattern across Perth and just a steady increase in prices as improving numbers of sales transactions come through. So the market's looking better. It's by no means a total recovery, but it's certainly a big improvement on what we've seen, for example, a year ago. We've got first home buyers have really been active in this market, and they've pushed trade up buyers into the market as well. So prices, range sales have slowly crept up. Well, all indications are that we're seeing a stable and balanced property market with some modest improvement in prices, but particularly driven by the first home buyers who've been very active over these last few months in buying all the cheaper properties. That's pushed the trade-up buyers more up into the market and created a lot of activity. That has seen the median price press up from $475,000 to $480,000 as at the 30th of June, which is a modest increase, and it shows that sales transactions are gradually improving. We're seeing the return of much more buyer confidence into the market. Listings have decreased significantly, under 12,000 at the end of June, and that's down from 18,000 in April 2011. That's brought about by a lot of properties being sold, a lot of properties also going off into the rental market, but those owners who were seeking unrealistic prices have taken those properties off the market. So under 12,000 listings puts us into a very normal market. Well, the rental market's seen a significant increase in rents over the year, in fact up 13% in the year ended 30th of June, bringing the median price for a 3-bedroom house to $440 per week, and for multi-residential properties to $410 per week. They're pretty significant increases, and in fact they're up nearly 1.9% in the June quarter. Not good for tenants, but good news for investors.